Okay, all of you done a good job. Today is the first time. It is a bit of a group discussion, and you people have, most of you have not read the paper. I'm very happy. Especially Nitin did not refer to the paper at all. Nitin, what class are you? Are you finished your college? Where are you? Nitin.
Yes, sir.
Where are you?
I am doing my final year, sir.
Okay, good. Shabash.
From Karnataka.
Oh, good. I didn't see you reading the paper at all. And most of you have not read it. It is good. Abhi, what we'll do is we want to finish this session. We'll start another session 5 minutes later. You will get the link and then we'll start with Aspriya's factor 3. So we finished factor 1, and factor 1 I'll just reiterate for all of you guys that you have really understood. But a bit of a problem that I have is most of you have just taken the example which I have given in my videos. Next time when you prepare it again, think of your own real life situations where you were actually involved. Like when you give an example of some particular thing, it should be experience which you yourself undertaken or you have seen somebody doing it. Is that point clear? Yeah, that is what should be the your essence of the whole thing. So once you start knowing that yes, you can do it, you start getting the confidence कि अगर मैंने वहाँ किया था तो यहाँ क्यों नहीं कर सकते? And what is that fear that I have from the IO psychologist and the GTO or the fellow candidates SSB? I told you, you are confident, you've seen everything, you've thrown the fear out, and you are just going there with factor 1 at the moment without botheration of anybody else. And you know you can do it, and even if it is not that, so bloody what? Okay? I am just going for a picnic to meet people for 5 days. Am I right? And in that picnic, there were a lot of games were organized, a lot of events were organized in which we all participated. So that fear of anxiety of passing or failing, success or failure goes out of your mind. When GTO gives you a task, what is it? It is a game, isn't it? When he's taking an interview with you, he's having a gupshup with you, isn't it? Or isn't it? So take it from that point of view and then prepare yourself. Okay. Now before I proceed further, where is Aspriya? How many stories have you written? 3 or 5? 5. Gitanjali, you gave 3 or 5? Gitanjali? 3. 3. Okay, 3 of yours and 5 of Aspriya. Or maybe they are common. What you do is send it to everybody. Okay, on the group. And what by tomorrow evening, all of you should see their stories and improve upon them or tell us what you learned and send it back to us by tomorrow evening. Is that clear to everybody? So, abhi Gitanjali and Aspriya both will forward their stories which they have written as per the format which I taught you. Okay? So, do it that way and send it back to me. Okay, now coming back to what Aspriya has spoken just now. Wonderful things. Listen to me. Initiative is the key thing. The army is looking that quality in you that wherever you are always up the forefront because you are the leader. If you are a lieutenant or a captain or a major, you are the young leader who is commanding the groups, commanding the troops. So you are as it is the leader. So you have to have initiative. Okay? And thereafter, self-confidence. You cannot be standing in front of the body of men because they are very sharp these days. They are not say cows to be herded. They have complete internet, as much knowledge as you have, and most of them have also tried to appear for the SSB. Probably they didn't make it. So when they see you there, they'll start comparing themselves with you. They'll try to find out what is that is in you which is not there in them. And if they don't find anything, they'll stop respecting you. So to command the respect, to being the leader, you have to be very, very confident. And for this confidence building measures, there are 8 videos of mine, which you can take the links from Varun sir. There's a proper playlist. Study all those 8 videos. And next time or whenever you have time, or you can give a mail to me, discuss with me if you want otherwise. Otherwise, we'll have one full session for those 8 videos later on. Okay, then next is your speed of decision. Now, thing is, when you have a problem in front of you, you have your men with you, your team is with you, and now you have a problem in front of you, you should immediately be able to perceive that problem, what it is. then you should be able to reason it out. Okay, what exactly this involves, how can I break into smaller pieces, and then try to work out a plan. That is your organizing capability. Or वहाँ पे, once you start organizing, then you have to take certain decisions, and those decisions have to be certain sequence, and that is where your power of decision making comes in. Firstly, you take a correct decision at the correct time, and then you take it timely. So that is the next thing. So timely decision and the correct decision, both are important. Okay. Then once you made those decisions, you should be able to influence the group. Tell them, look, this is what is to be done, and please do it. And that they will do it only once they have faith in you. You have shown your confidence, you have shown your capability, you have shown your reasoning capability. They have seen you earlier, they have known you on earlier examples, so they know that yes, whatever you are telling is right. Because mind you, it is not like I give you examples of preparing to go to school or organizing a birthday party. Here you are not organizing a birthday party. Here you are not going to school. Here you are going to lead your men in front of the enemy who is firing at you. There's a danger of life. So you should be able to influence on them. And of course, you should be lively. If there's a danger, inherent danger in front of you, there's inherent urgency in front of you, and if you yourself looking very scared, you are worried, that means they'll lose confidence in you. So this is a very, very important quality. It should be lively. Whatever you're doing, like you read the stories of Major Buchanan's yet, or who were not doing the lecturate today, they will also look for the examples in the same factors and their own factors. Okay? So your own examples, next time, the day after when we come, we listen to your examples. Okay? Is that clear? And examples, you can give examples where what's exactly happened with you, or something happened with somebody else, but in front of you. And then you will tell me, look, this is how he showed his power of decision. This is how he showed his reasoning capability. This is how he showed self-confidence. This is how he showed liveliness. So this is what is the thing. Now, before we move any further, whatever time is left with us, next 10 minutes, I'll take your questions. Anybody?
So I just wanted to add on to what I had.
Okay.
So I feel that in SSB or the SRTs, I think they are one of the most effective ways they actually check your speed of decision, because they give these situations and you're reacting to them. Some situations you might face, some you might not. And I've seen like people, there can be many ways you can react to it. So I just wanted to add that the speed of decision, they actually is very effectively checked out there, like how you're reacting to them, because there are 60 situations and you're given somewhere around 13 minutes. So you have to be very fast. And I just wanted to add on to that.
Okay, good. Now listen to me. There's something called Rorschach model. Rorschach was a Swiss psychologist, and that model started in 1960s. And this was basically to see the mental ability of mentally retarded children. So that you find out what exactly is there in their minds, what hits them, what does not hit them, to find out the reason why they are behaving the way they are behaving. So these are the psychologist tools, and they had used these tools like situation reaction test, thematic appreciation test, as well as your SRTs, WATs. Okay. So these three things actually are based for that. And this is a psychologist's proven method to find out what exactly is the behavioral pattern in your mind. What are the things lacking? So they have their set of qualities which they try to find out with these three particular things. That is WAT, TAT, and your SRT. But in this SSB, same thing is being picked up, same model, to work on you, but to find out about those 15 qualities. Okay? And 15 qualities, speed of decision is one. Now, speed of decision, one quality is the speed per se. That since you have to write 60 of those in 30 minutes, means 30 seconds for each, or 15 seconds for each word. That is the speed of decision. Now, over here, first I'll discuss this point. Over here, suppose you miss out on a particular subject, word, or miss out on a particular situation, or miss out a particular TAT, picture. So, he will try to, with the help of those, I told you, Rorschach model, he'll try to find out why did you miss out. Because every word, every situation, and every picture has a certain thing to be conveyed, which they already know. That is how that picture or that word or the situation has been given to you. So if it is a serious one and you missed out because you didn't know it or you couldn't decide, so that will affect your mental reasoning part. So he will then decide whether to keep you in or keep you out. And second part is he will also decide what exactly is the deficiency in your mind. Firstly is quickness and second is deficiency. So best thing is that you do not leave out anything. Like in WIT, when I'll start telling you about WIT, there will be a lot of do's and don'ts I'll tell you. I'll tell you not to write about the, let's say, idioms, not to write the statements, not to write universal truths. But in case you are stuck somewhere, you should write, because you should not leave anything blank. Leaving in the anything, there are two aspects to it. One is the material aspect, secondly is the quickness, the timing aspect. So at least if you've missed out on the material one, the timing you've not missed out. Quickness in taking decision, promptness in taking decisions. Okay, but you should try to do the other one also, that we'll learn in due course of time. Yeah, anybody else, any question?
I would like to add to what Aspriya brought out
Okay,
about the speed of decision.
okay,
One thing I would like to highlight is, as reasoning is the mother of all OLQs. We
absolutely.
have a sound reasoning. If we grasp the essential of the problem and reason it out, then we'll be able to, and after evaluation of the options, then we can come to a good decision, and that will be workable as well as a practical one that will serve the purpose in attaining the objective.
Very good. What you addressed now is factor 1 and factor 4. Whatever you just spoken, everybody's heard him?
Yes, sir.
He has spoken about factor 1 and factor 4. Now, after that decision has been made, everything has been done, plan is ready, it has to be executed. And execution as a leader with factor 3 and as a group commander with factor 2. So thereafter factor 2 and 3 will come. So you have to get the factor 2, you have to get the group together, and then factor 3 you have to become the leader. Is that correct? Everybody understood? Yeah, Nitin, is it clear? Nitin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you talked about first two factors, and then you get a group with a factor 2 in, and then you be a leader of that group as with factor 3. So anybody else? Varsha, any questions?
Sir, in the GD, when we are giving the our points, if somebody is again and again is interrupting us, so at that situation, what we have to do? Like we have to stop and give them.
No. First of all, don't get perturbed. Even if somebody is obstructing you, carry on, persist on your point, and make sure there is no change in your tone and tenor till you finish. After you finish, then you address him. कि okay, yes, let's hear you now. कि आप क्या बोल रहे थे? Okay. Even if he starts talking, you just don't give any undue attention to that person. If he is trying to speak over you, it will go against him. Okay? You carry on with what point you are making. After you finish the point, you should say, okay, chest number 20, you were trying to interrupt me, please tell me what is your point. I am ready to listen to you. So with that, you have given your point also, and then you have accepted his point as well. Okay? That has gone in your favor. But if that chap is trying to talk over you, that goes against him. Okay? But you don't worry about that. You just do the same discussion over here. Abhi, today is the first day. Few of you are speaking one by one, and I'm prompting you to speak. Maybe day after you'll all speak all by yourself. I will not anchor the thing day after. Okay? जो point अगर एक presentation खत्म हुआ है, that is something like a PPDT. Somebody is finished speaking his story, now you start commenting on that story. Is that clear to all of you? So that will be a modus operandi. And this is how we'll gradually go up, and I can assure you in 3-4 meetings, you'll all be good speakers. You'll all be confident people. You'll start taking initiative. Okay? And you'll all be part of the group. This is what is all these qualities coming. And I see a world of change in you even now. Even those 9 of you are in front of me, you're doing a wonderful job. I'm very happy with your all progress. So do more, work hard, and see the videos, and you will get a lot of stuff over there. If you have some other questions which are over and above the videos, you have questions which you answers you haven't found there, give us a mail. Varun sir will compile and give it to me. I'll immediately answer or I'll come back to you. Okay? कुछ गप्पे मार के हमको ग्रुप डिस्कशन कराएंगे, आपस में बात करेंगे और करके आ जाएंगे. If that is the attitude you go with, let me tell you, there's nothing required over there other than what the normal day-to-day things, some speaking skills, कि हाँ मैं बोल सकता हूँ. वो तो आप रोज ही बोलते हो यार, अपनी क्लास में नहीं बोलते क्या? तो फिर एसएसबी में जाकर वहाँ आपके मुंह पे ताला क्यों लग जाता है? यहाँ आप अपने प्रिंसिपल के सामने, अपने भाई बहनों के सामने, फैमिली में, डोंट यू ऑल स्पीक? बस वहाँ भी वही बोलना है. और अगर आपको पता लग जाए कि क्या बोलना है, कि 15 क्वालिटीज ढूंढ रहे हैं तो 15 चीज़ें ही बोलनी है, तो दिस शुड बी नो प्रॉब्लम. वो बोलेगा भाई आप अभी आपका हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, ओके, उसका आपका हाफ ग्रुप टास्क है, तो आप हाफ ग्रुप टास्क में 4 or 5 of you are together and you have to be become a leader. और ये यहाँ ये स्टार्ट पॉइंट है या फिनिश पॉइंट है, इसको क्रॉस करो. इट इज समथिंग लाइक अपने घर में आप स्टापू नहीं खेलते? घर में क्रिकेट खेलते हो आंगन में, पर तू बॉलिंग करेगा, तू बैटिंग करेगा, मैं फील्डिंग करूंगा. तो बस वही पर तू बल्ली उठाएगा, तू रोप उठाएगा, मैं इसके ऊपर चढ़ता हूँ, मुझे वहां से पकड़ा, इसको यहाँ करते हैं. आप लोगों के घरों में छतों के ऊपर चारपाइयाँ नहीं चढ़ाते रात को सोने के लिए? जिनके घर छोटे शहरों में हैं, तो नीचे से तू मेरे को पकड़ा, ऐसे नहीं बोलते कि नीचे से पकड़ाओ मेरे को, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, व्हाट यू कॉल, चारपाई पकड़ाओ, ऊपर छत पे चढ़ानी है, या टेबल को शिफ्ट करना है इस कमरे से उस कमरे में, तू उधर से पकड़ना, मैं इधर से पकड़ता हूँ, तू दरवाज़ा पकड़ना, तो हम बाहर लेके जा रहे हैं. डोंट यू डू दैट? सेम थिंग इज जीटीओ यार, नथिंग डिफरेंट. आपके फादर आपसे पूछ रहे हैं भाई सुबह कहाँ गए थे, तुमने 10 रुपये लिए थे, कितने की जलेबी खरीदी, कितने पैसे उसको टैक्सी वाले को दिए, कितने की किताब ली, और किताब लेके क्या किया? वही तो वाईओ कर रहा है आपके साथ, और कौन सी नई बात कर रहा है? और जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट आपसे कहानियाँ लिखवा रहा है, वो समझ लो टीचर ने बिठाया है, आज तो आपका फाइनल ईयर का एग्जाम है या 12th का एग्जाम है, उसने क्वेश्चन पेपर दिया, मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ. दैट इज ऑल इज एसएसबी. और दिस इज, एंड आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, आर्मी में हमें जीनियसेस नहीं चाहिए. वी डू नॉट वांट आइंस्टाइन्स, वी डू नॉट वांट रिसर्चर्स, वो हमारे पास डीआरडीओ में बहुत हैं. यहाँ मेरे को यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स चाहिए who are full of josh, who can lead men in difficult circumstances. And they need not be genius guys. They can be average intelligence, above average, so that they can lead men, take decisions. That's it. Yeah, Nitin has some question. Bolo Nitin, chat box में क्या question है?
Sir, how to prepare? Of course, you just said about how the group tasks are done, and even though we may be doing it in our house only, but there sometimes if we get some command task wherein we are not able to generate the ideas, how to generate ideas and how to make this thing.
यार मेरी बात सुनो, तुम्हारे ग्रुप में
Idea to solve that obstacle.
got your point. देखिए there are 5 tasks where you have to be together. One is your lecture group discussion, your group obstacle race and obstacle 4. तो 5 tasks are there, 5 बार. Minimum group size is 4. Maximum is depending on कि आपका बैच का क्या स्ट्रेंथ है. तो उसमें अगर आपसे आइडिया जनरेट नहीं हो रहा तो दूसरों से जनरेट करवाओ यार. और यार इसको कैसे करना तो बताएगा मेरे को, कैन यू गिव मी एन आइडिया? आप ऐसे तो बोल ही सकते हो ना. उसके आइडिया लेके आपने बी पार्ट ऑफ दैट. आई मीन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ही को वहाँ पे आमिर खान या सलमान खान बनना है, कि सारे ही फिल्म के सामने हीरो में नहीं बन के आना है. वहाँ पे अगर आप एक उसका पार्ट भी बन के चलेंगे तो भी आप थ्रू हैं. एज लॉन्ग एज वो आपने अपने डाइनिंग टेबल से टेबल निकाल के आंगन में ला के रखा उसको कलर करने के लिए, एज लॉन्ग एज द टेबल केम, इट्स गुड इनफ. ऑल ऑफ यू आर थ्रू, बट यू शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. नितिन, हैव आई मेड माई सेल्फ क्लियर?
Okay, sir.
You should not be a passenger on the train, you should be driver. And if you are not a driver, at least you are traveling in an engine, not in a compartment. Okay? बट SSB में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, एज अ pitfall, at some point in time you get bogged down. I told you the two aspects to it. One is the content, one is the timings. कंटेंट की वजह से वॉक डाउन होना, बिकॉज कंटेंट दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा, बट डोंट मिस आउट ऑन टाइमिंग. लाइक आई गेव यू एग्जाम्पल, देयर 4 फ्रेंड्स, देयर 3 थिंग्स. एक क्रोकोडाइल वाला था, एक जंगल वाला था, एक स्नेक्स वाला था. 3 guys moved, 1 chap couldn't decide. तो वो वहीं रह गया. बट दैट वॉज some kind of a fake stuff. Everybody reached the destination. Whether they fought the way through crocodiles but they definitely reached. So you must walk. 80% times you will also reach. It is better to take a plunge and fail rather than not to try at all. Not to try at all as it is a failure.
Yes, sir.
Not to try as it is a failure means it's over. But once you've taken a plunge means you had the initiative, you had the guts, you tried, but you failed, doesn't matter. So SSB में that decision will be taken by इस बंदे में guts हैं, निकलेगा आगे. Fail हो गया, I mean after all he is not Salman Khan. और यू आर नॉट लेडी भीम, डजेंट मैटर. वो सिखा देंगे वो करने के लिए. और वैसे भी आर्मी में व्हेन यू आर फाइटिंग एवरी टाइम यू डोंट विन. ओके, समटाइम्स यू हैव टू डू सफर टैक्टिकल डिफीट्स ऑल्सो फॉर बिगर ओवरऑल गुड. सो इट इज पार्ट ऑफ दैट. सो योर टाइमिंग वाइज डिसीजन मस्ट बी टेकन टू मूव अहेड, इवन इफ इट इज नॉट 100% करेक्ट. लाइक इफ यू सीन माई कॉन्फिडेंस वाला वीडियो, उसमें एक जगह मैंने बोला है, डोंट वेट घर से कहीं जाना है पर सारी रेड लाइट्स ग्रीन होएंगी, सड़क खाली होएगी. डोंट कीप वेटिंग फॉर दैट. ओके, सो इज दिस पॉइंट अंडरस्टूड बाय एवरीबडी? इफ नॉट वील डिस्कस अगेन बिकॉज वी जस्ट गॉट 30 seconds लेफ्ट. इज गोइंग टू गो अवे. So by tomorrow evening, I want those TAT stories written by Aspriya and Gitanjali to be done by everybody, and good group discussion, same thing day after, but with your personal examples. Prepare it that way, okay? I've seen at least 40% improvement in all of you in last 2 weeks. So make sure you carry on with this improvement, and make sure SSB is only a picnic. The day you get that in your mind, you'll all make it. And I'll come for your passing out parade, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, in 1 hour's time, produce this work, and in the next meeting, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.